Welcome back here to the adventure. Preston and I are back in the garage, and in this video we are gonna hop back on the struggle bus that is our rear hatch. We're gonna change gears a little bit. Instead of fixing it up, we're gonna replace it. When we ordered this off of eBay, it looked mint. There was only like one or two minor dents. And then the shipping company beat the tar out of it, and it was dent and scratched like crazy. We're actually going through an insurance claim with the shipping company right now, so hopefully it will be compensated. But anyways, it at least is the correct hatch color-wise, and it has glass in there, which is huge. So we're gonna pull this out, throw it on the workbench, and then strip it of all the parts we don't need.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
Aha! And you had your doubts. Preston and I are gonna strip all of this off the new hatch. So the old shocks, get rid of those. The black liner, because we still got our tan liner that we want to put back on there. You know that percent?
Good.
Nice. Shock number 2 out. Preston just got home from school. We had to pack it up last night because it was getting too late. The boy has a curfew. So the hinges on our sandbox are in better condition than these, so we're going to reuse those. All right, go ahead.
That was weird. It's the first time it didn't come off.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, that's good.
Now we say the end.
Michael Jordan tongue and all. Oh, you know what? Those aren't Phillips. Those are Torx bits. Let's try this. 225. Oh, if that worked. There we go. Bingo, bango, bongo. There's no more fasteners that you can see from the outside, but there are clips in there holding it. Do you remember the types of clips? They're like the Christmas tree clips. So you just gotta pull on it until they pop out and hope they don't break. So we need to figure out if we're able to save this harness or if we need to just get our harness. Hey, why am I doing this? You get over here. Huh? Look, me do all the work. Yeah. Well, we got some plugs, buddy, so that's good. These clips are off. They were not easy. The gray one had 2 prongs on the back side. The green and the black had them on the front. They were not simple. Yeah, we're definitely gonna test all the weights and stuff. So you see my hand? See my thumb? There's a clip right there that if you pull it, then pull out the wire. It's the wire. And now we need to be able to get this out to the routing action. I think in theory this should come out now. old. There's one.
Here's all the power it had. Cause I didn't know how bad the
Oh,
bolts
you
were.
used all the ponies. So this one came out, Preston. If you're able to see, you just push on that clip and pull. Yahtzee. Ooh, I think I'm getting it.
That's why I put that. That's why I put the motor over. That might be why it's going down. That because I did that. That was the solution.
That okay.
That was the solution.
I'm not gonna say it wasn't.
That was easy.
Easy. I felt like
That
that's.
was-
Okay, what now, Presto?
Now I have to take off the old stuff. I mean, off the same one. Do the other bolts. After we undid it now.
Okay. Can you guess which one we're putting in?
This one.
This one?
This
I
one
agree.
was better.
I agree.
The hinges on the waxing through to that. I feel like you can fit your hand.
Ta-da!
Now it is. No other one.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tuck it out. So right here, Preston? This is the spot. No turning back?
No. It's better to do it that way than nothing.
Alright, no going back now. This is Jake, my brother-in-law. He drove all the way from Florida to help hold this hatch for us. And Grandpa, he drove a little less, but still here to help.
You know, we had to fight our way through the Kroger parking lot. It was a struggle.
Sacrifices were made.
Uh-huh.
Is it okay if I'm not right now?
You don't want to be underneath it?
I want to be
Look at
under
that.
it. It's
Look
because
at
I
that.
don't.
Smart looking out for
I don't
numero
want
uno,
to be
huh?
underneath.
Got the tech.
I need one of these.
Dude, they come in handy. You really do. And it allows Preston to be able to help, so that's good too.
As long as the battery's
Oh. They only have about 20 foot-pounds of torque, so sometimes they're just not strong enough.
You already eliminated the
Yeah,
glass,
if
so
I
it's not a
stand just
problem.
right, it can fall right over top of me.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, this is
Last
the
one,
check.
here it is.
Okay. Up, up, and over.
Ow. There's broken glass.
That we're gonna set it straight by where.
We'll set it over here. Preston, you want to tell everyone real quick what we're doing here?
We're bending out the side.
Alright, so this part of the tailgate
It's supposed
got
to
bent
be.
by the shipping
smooth
company, so
like
we're gonna
this.
attempt to move it.
You gotta have some dents or you're not using it.
It's like tomater. Those are just
Uh-huh.
memories. This is a memory that we'll always remember.
Yeah.
But it might do help.
You got your side, Steve?
Yep.
Lift it up.
Now, let me get these bolts quickly.
Music licensing reimagined.
There you go.
All right. That
So it
sounded
shouldn't
like-
come crashing down.
Dad, we need to turn
Yeah,
the
how's that
hinges
shoulder work
right.
out?
Oh man,
We
my
have to
triceps
finish
more
the
than anything.
hinges.
Like I was like, holy crap.
Dad,
Just finger tight for the most part. We should stay.
Oh yeah. Well, I think the first take was really good, you know.
Yeah. It went on first try. Alright. Now that
Look like we're moving.
Give it a little bit of muscle. And I just give it a little booty. Preston, buddy.
The fender's off there.
Okay, this is too funny out of here. So Preston's been hounding me for months now. We've been trying to fit this hatch for a while now. I kept on getting hung up. We didn't know what. Turns out it was that right there.
I told Jake he had a good idea to
Yeah,
put
you
it
just give it a whack.
Maybe we'll go Yay, the
Now the
dirt is
airbags go
coming
off.
Yeah, boom!
Yay, some dirt is falling
Why didn't we
out.
disconnect the battery cable?
Hey, we did it.
Right there, Dad, in the hole. Just take the fender off and put
Oh,
bolts in there.
oh,
Dad,
it latched.
It works.
Dad,
Oh, I
that
think it
thing will
did.
look-
It did. Went right in.
Uh-oh. Now we got it jammed.
Yeah, it's catching right there.
We
So.
need to
Or
adjust
still?
the wax. What kind of?
Oh, no, it just came up.
Uncle Jakey.
All right. Well, let's send it home and tighten this down.
Uncle.
We needed to listen to Preston. I kid you not. He's been hounding me for that. We need to hit it in or it's gonna catch. Like whatever, Preston. It's fine.
What do you know?
When I know.
We're the adults.
Right.
When I know things.
We'll know when we know.
In our defense, he is a lot closer to that level than we are.
Just take the
Right
fender
now,
off
there's
and
times
put
I wish I had a
bolts.
pool where I could just like go
Dad?
jump in it.
Bro,
Dad?
after
Yeah,
I
you nice.
mow my lawn, that's what I do every single time. Like,
Yeah.
I just go like plunge.
I mean,
Alright,
it was
call
what
it good.
floor, Dad? Did we put bolts
All
there?
right, I'm gonna get out the boomstick. We're gonna really lay into this bumper.
Knock out the
Do you have a
bolster.
big steel C-clamp, Davin?
Don't hit it
I
hard.
do.
When
That
we
can be
have
our
the
next
hatch
option.
up.
But I really want to hit this just because I'm aggravated.
Just because you're aggravated?
No, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna be swinging up. You might want to step back.
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
There you go.
Oh my.
There you
It
go.
was-
Oh my. That'll do
I
it.
need to cover my ears. That's so
Yeah.
loud.
See, you put that protectant on there to protect the part underneath.
That was just that's right.
You knew what you were doing the whole
Yeah,
time.
this overspray was on purpose.
That's right.
Get some black bolts and put them in the fender hole and put bolts on it.
All right.
Well, that would cool if you put bolts on it, Dad.
That's it.
We have to fix the battery problems and the wire problem before we can put in the garage again.
Yeah.
Where?
That sounded like.
Holy cow. Okay, now we got it jammed shut.
The wax.
Is that locked?
The wax. It's not locked. It's the wax.
Let's try this. There you go. It's locked. Okay, that's locked.
Do it unlocked.
Unlocked. You know what, Preston? We never tightened this down all the way.
We didn't.
Remember, we're like, let's keep it loose because we may need to adjust it. So if there's a
Inside.
screwdriver in there, you should be able to just like push it over to
Uncle
the side.
Jakey.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, good.
Yeah. So I think part of that is because Preston and I never fully tightened this down.
We
So
forgot.
there, it
No.
might have wedged in there.
We didn't forget. We just at the time we're like, we may need to fine tune this, so let's not tighten it down all the way.
Dad, do you have the
Well,
size for that still?
So
We have
when
the
you
size.
were
Which
looking
way?
at it, did it seem like it needed to go downward or upward? Or-
When you pulled on the latch, that bar right there on the far right side wasn't coming up all the way.
We put this on. This was threaded up a little bit higher than it is, so I think that will help get us more travel. Pop this back up. So there we go. Put it there.
Do we have the bolt
Difficult to
tight
get to?
in it, Dad?
No, it's fairly straightforward.
It's because it doesn't want up all the way.
There we go.
Oh,
Alright, slow
Okay.
now for releases. Heyo!
There we go.
There we
I'm
go.
at to
That
fix
sounded
the
good.
wire problem now.
There you go. Good, good.
I mean, I guess it is right. Dad, if you say it's right, that means it is right. I was
Okay.
just making sure you didn't flip
You were just testing me.
it to see if you put it.
So, stripping these wires. I hate these things. They never seem to work. Preston, have you seen any tools that are better than these?
No. If we do buy one, maybe we should do it from Harbor Freight, because I have all the good brands at Harbor Freight.
They have the
have
good-
you been watching the Harbor Freight commercials, Preston?
We're fixing it.
Yeah.
The wires.
So, Jake, we had a little.
No, we didn't. No,
We had it.
we did everything right.
Oh, epiphany.
I thought you were gonna say a problem.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna tape it around, then we're gonna order the solder sets and fix it later.
I like that idea.
Good idea.
Because the solder thing, I mean, what are they called? Solder sinks?
Yeah. And with how many wires we have to do here?
We need those.
We're soldering all day.
Connects it and causes it to.
Good.
Hey, we're done. We
Dad,
got.
but
We got
All
one.
right, yeah, that's all we had to do.
Yeah,
now
good enough.
we have to tighten the battery bundle.
Give it a shot now.
It's not strong, it can't get it off. That's why.
Boy, that's
That, it's,
rusted on there pretty good.
There you go.
it's rusted on there pretty good. I think
There you go.
Good job, Presto.
Keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. There it is.
Nice.
it fell under the Jeep around like a wrench, Dad.
Good.
There we go.
Uh,
There we go.
You to test it. Does it work?
Yeah.
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 Is it?
Keep going.
I can't go anymore.
Okay, that must be the right
Dad,
amount.
I'm gonna try. Can you let me do
Yep,
it as
please
small
do.
hand?
Yeah.
It's not long. It might.
There
it
we
does
go.
work.
It's a
It
fit.
goes all the way
Yeah.
on, doesn't it?
All
We
right.
need to wipe that off.
Yeah,
There's-
let me get you some.
That's
You got a wedge down there?
yes. We're just wiping it off. There's water because of when it sprayed. Grandpa,
Ready,
look
set?
at my queen. It's
yes,
working, Dad.
it's shooting out liquid. Holy cow.
We're gonna drill through the bolt.
What's the problem though?
The bolt won't come off, but we're gonna drill through the bolt to make it come off. It's gonna work, Dad.
Oh, Whew.
Dad,
Well.
that worked.
It did.
It broke it. That's
There
what
we
we
go.
wanted. We,
Pull it up.
Is this from the other,
Yep, that's the new
or
one.
this is the new one?
New
Yeah.
one.
And
yep.
this is
Here we go.
Yes,
it is working.
we got a license plate light.
Dad?
Success.
Okay, Press and I have officially put on the new hatch. Big thanks to Uncle Jakey and Grandpa. It would have been super hard to put that on without their help. But that's going to wrap it up for this one. Till
We're-
next time, ciao.
Good one.
Thanks for watching.
Artlist.io